Mock exam, section B, question 3, part B. Find the value for both x and y in the following simultaneous equations. So the first simultaneous equation we're given is 4x plus y equals 7, 2x minus y equals 5. So doing this by elimination means eliminating either the x's or the y's. In the first simultaneous equation, this is already done for us because we have plus y minus y. So this means that these can be eliminated. So 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x, plus y minus y, these are gone. 7 plus 5 equals 12. So now we have 6x is equal to 12. Again, we need to isolate the x, so we move the 6 across the equal sign, it becomes a divide, so we get x equals 12 divided by 6, x equals 2. Now that we've found the value for x, we can select either one of these simultaneous equations and substitute in the value for x. So I've picked 2x minus y equals 5. So 2x minus y equals 5. Subbing in the 2 into the position of the x, I get 2 multiplied by 2 minus y equals 5. So now I have 4 minus y equals 5. Moving the 4 over the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So minus y equals 5 minus 4. Minus y equals 1. I'm not looking for minus y, I'm looking for positive y. So by moving the y over the equal sign and the 1 over the equal sign, I get minus 1 is equal to y. The second simultaneous equation that we're given is 3x plus y equals 27, x minus 2y equals 2. So now we have to choose which one of these to eliminate. To me, I'm going to eliminate the y's. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply the top equation all the way across by 2. So 2 multiplied by 3x gives me 6x. 2 multiplied by y equals 2y. 2 multiplied by 27 equals 54. Put the second equation under the first equation that we've just multiplied out. Draw a line underneath it. So now we have 6x plus x equals 7x. 2y minus 2y, these are eliminated. 54 plus 2 equals 56. So now we have 7x is equal to 56. Moving the 7 across the equal sign, I get x equals 56 divided by 7, x equals 8. Now that I've found the x value, I'm going to find the y value. So I picked the bottom equation, x minus 2y equals 2, because it looks a lot easier to me. So we have x minus 2y equal 2. We found the value for x to be equal to 8. So I substitute the 8 in to the x position. I get 8 minus 2y equals 2. Moving the 8 across the equal sign, it becomes a minus 8. So minus 2y equals 2 minus 8. Minus 2y equals minus 6. So I'm going to move the minus 2 over the equal sign. So it's in a multiply position here. Over the equal sign, it's going to become a divide. So now I have y equals minus 6 divided by minus 2, which gives me y is equal to 3. In the final simultaneous equation in this exam, the equation has been given to you in an incorrect format. So we need to swap these around. So I'm going to rewrite both equations. So the top line stays as it is. The bottom equation, the minus 22 has to go over to the far side of the equals, so that goes to a positive. The x has to go over to the far side of the equals, so that becomes a negative. And the 3y has to come over the equal sign again, and that's going to give me negative 3y. So looking at the two simultaneous equations, I'm going to multiply the bottom line by 2. This will make the minus x equal to minus 2x. So then I can eliminate these. So multiplying the bottom equation, I get minus 2x minus 6y equals 44. So 2 by 22 is 44, 2 by minus 3y is minus 6y, 2 by minus x is minus 2x. So 2x minus 2x is gone, it's eliminated. 2y minus 6y is minus 4y. 20 plus 44 is 66. So minus 4y equals 66. I'm going to move the minus 4 over the equal sign. It'll become a divide. So I get y equals 66 divided by minus 4. Y is equal to minus 16.5. Now that I have a value for y, I'm going to substitute it into one of the equations. For this one, I've picked the top one, 2x plus 2y equals 20. So 2x plus 2y equals 20. We found the y to be equal to minus 16.5. That is substituted into the y position. So now we have 2x plus 2 multiplied by minus 16.5 equals 20. 2x minus 33 equals 20. Moving the minus 33 over the equal sign makes it a positive 33. So now we get 2x equals 20 plus 33. 2x equals 53. Moving the 2 over the equal sign, it becomes a divide. So x equals 53 divided by 2. X equals 26.5.